Hey guys, what's going on? It is 1:39 Central Time on February 24th, Monday. Red Monday, man. We were down over 1,000 on the Dow, uh, kind of bouncing back. But let's talk about space. I was in puts from last Friday, February 28th, 30, 50 put, and I was going to watch the sell off. It kind of worked into the close last week, and slowly, just a slow break. 3350 was the basically the line in the sand to go short in my eyes at that point, and it was going to be just a quick play because I'm long the stock long term and the warrants. So hopped in, had a late sell off over the weekend on Saturday going into Sunday, and then another sell off today. But support was 29.15, and once it sold off this morning, I exited out, got a nice little gain. I was really hoping for more of a flush out, but what can we do? Hopped in long with went with two calls, man. Actually, I had to get in Robinhood for one of them, for one strike. February 28th, 33.50s at 295, and then I got into some March 20th $31 calls, uh, and Thinkorswim. So hopped in those, nice run up, pullback, and it found support at 30.56, and that's crazy that it's been there. That was the close from probably a couple of weeks ago, and bro finally broke above the VWAP, and we have, as my buddy says, Maurice Maurice Jackson talks about an alligator, but got a run up in the final support level for today. Resistance, excuse me, was 3350. Tested it a little while ago. I'm on the 5 minute chart, guys. Broke down and turned it into a nice pennant. So we'll see where we go and headed into the close to the last half of the day. Are we going to run? We're going to pull back because it's overbought right now. Look down at the RSI. If we pull back and get a bounce off of 3350 and kind of channel into the close or find a little trading range, because of course we know tomorrow is earnings. Our earnings will be uh, after the bell tomorrow, Tuesday the 25th. So let's also take a look quickly. Let's see. Everything sold off and has found a little bit of support, but has become a buying opportunity for a lot of things. Now, let's see. Someone was mentioning Nike. I think Nike is I don't know if it's found its base yet right now. Well, it bounced off the 95 handle, so Nike may be ready to for an entry. So okay, I'm not calling that. I just noticed that because little mini wedge, if we want to call it, a little wedge pattern. And I'm in forward puts still. I'm in some very cheap puts. I got in at 2 cents on the February 28th $7.50 put, and it's a slow mover. It poured out of bed. Let's remove the VWAP right now. Poured out of bed, bounce, a little kind of in the trading range, and we might have a sell-off going into the close. I don't know. Who knows? But I'm looking to exit within a day. So let's see what else. I got into the warrants, space warrants also, and I also hopped into a Boeing 300 put February 28th for 75 cents. So got a decent payout on that. I mean, it's kind of hanging around, but right now, nice little gain in the Virgin Galactic that March 20th, and of course I like the warrants. I sold out of a lot of warrants, and I sold out, so I'm just gonna have to rebuild that. But anyway, I'm long term bullish, like I said before. That Ford put $18, 300% gain on that. Economy of scale. Let's see what happens next time. Let's see where we are with the Boeing. There it is. Okay. Well, we'll see how this market turns out, guys. I think we're down 882. Kind of found a little base. It found a little bit of a base, guys. So we'll see what we do into the close if it has any pop in it. Uh, see what the Nasdaq is looking like, and then the SPY. Everything okay. Nasdaq found a nice little base, a little bounce. See what the SPY looks like. I see it over here, but okay. This would be a move to go long in the SPY. Uh, hmm. Yeah, I missed a window. 323. Yeah, I mean those are good prices, really good prices, but not gonna do it. All right, guys. Let's go back to before I get out of here. Let's just take a look at space one more time. Yeah, that thing is running. And the earnings after the market, and then the conference call. Remember, guys, 4 p.m. Central Time. 4 p.m. Central. All right. Let's 34.59. I'm cool with it. All right. Have a good one.